Unraveling the meaning of TV junkie, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that's commonly used in English, TV junkie. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand what it means to be a TV junkie, and how you can use this phrase in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. TV junkie is a colloquial expression in English. It's made up of two parts: TV, which stands for television, and junkie. Now, the term junkie originally referred to someone addicted to drugs, but in this context, it's used in a less serious, more metaphorical sense to describe someone who is extremely fond of or addicted to watching television. When you say someone is a TV junkie, you're implying that they spend a lot of their time watching TV, almost to the point of it being a habit or addiction. Understanding how to use TV junkie in a sentence is crucial. It's often used in informal settings and conversations. For example, my brother is such a TV junkie. He binge watches new series every weekend. Are you becoming a TV junkie? You've been watching that show for hours. It's important to note that calling someone a TV junkie can be playful or teasing, but depending on the context, it might also be seen as a mild criticism of their viewing habits. In many English-speaking countries, the term TV junkie reflects a cultural phenomenon where people spend a significant amount of time in front of the television. With the rise of streaming services and binge watching, the phrase has become even more relevant. Understanding this term also gives insight into the leisure activities and media consumption trends in these cultures. Similar phrases include movie buff, for someone who loves watching movies, and bookworm, for an avid reader. While these terms also describe hobbies or interests, they don't necessarily carry the same connotation of excessive indulgence that TV junkie does. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of TV junkie. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the culture and context in which they are used. So, keep exploring and learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.